Let me tell you guys something, right? I will hug you while I tell you this. The mindset you have about skincare determines the result you're going to get. If you're this kind of person that is still saying, I just need one body lotion to do everything for me, like I'm going to put all my eggs in one basket, meaning one body lotion can do all there is, especially for those with problematic skin, then you're going to be sitting on a long thing, or you've got to be kidding. You're going to be jumping from one skincare review to the other, and you still not get result, and you'll be thinking people are lying. You see those beautiful skin you see on Pinterest, or you see your favorite. It's not rocket science. They have put in the work. They have put in energy, money, time, patience, consistency. Nobody ever emphasized on that enough. Consistency. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want you to prepare your mind for 2026. If you are a skincare girly, a skincare lover, or you're just about to start your journey, you don't even know where to start from, let me give you a hug or let me hold your hands while I tell you this. Your mindset about skincare will determine the result you're going to get. If you believe one product will do all there is for your skin, no matter the soap you use, no matter whatever it is that you do before and after, or if you rely solely on your Snapchat, QEI, or the best lightning body lotion out there, you're going to get an effective result. It's okay, but let me tell you guys something. This time and age, people no longer rely on one product to do all there is for your skin. Posted a video about using 3 body lotion, got a whole lot of reaction. A lot of people reached out to me. How is that even necessary? Is it necessary to use more than 1 body lotion? Is it necessary to use more than 2 body lotion? Now the answer is yes and no. No, it is not necessary to use 2 body lotion. There are 2 reasons why I'm saying no. Number 1 is that one is on you. If you don't want to use 2 body lotion, is on you. Number 2, if you maybe you don't know and you're just asking if it's necessary, like you don't mind using 2 or 3 body lotion, this is it. You don't need 2 body lotion if you have a normal skin. You don't have to use 2 body lotion if you don't have hyperpigmentation, discoloration, or uneven skin tone. A lot of people naturally have beautiful skin. Whether or not they use skincare products, their skin is always skinning all year round. That is okay. You don't need 2 body or 3 body lotions. That is super okay. There are people who need 3 and there are other people who need 2 body lotion. If you have like dry skin, you have hyperpigmentation, your skin is not even, you have like problematic skin, you need 3 body lotion. 1 during the day, 1 at night, and the other 3 times a week. Now 1 during the day is the one that moisturizes and brightens your skin, the one that has antioxidants, the one that has emollients, the one that would basically help retain moisture on your skin. We are talking the EOS shea butter body lotion. We're talking Nivea. We're talking like any brightening moisturizing body lotion. We're talking advanced Korean. We're talking like, you know, them Dr. Teal's. Those are body lotions that can pass for everyday use during the day. And yes, it's not limited to daytime, but I'm saying for those who need 3 body lotion, right? The category of people that needs 3 body lotion is the people I'm currently talking to right now. You need products that I just listed up. Now, for your nighttime skincare routine, if you intend to lighten up your skin, you need a lightening product. That is where your Faster White comes in. Active Caviar, Lumine, Snapchat, your QEI. Yes, those ones can be used every day at night time. Now, for your 3-time usage, you need a product that would target or exfoliate your dead skin cell. That is where Alpha Renewal Body Lotion comes in. That is where Lactin Moisturizing Body Lotion comes in. That is where your exfoliant, your exfoliating body lotion comes in. These are the categories of people that needs 3 body lotion. Now, for those who are looking to lighten and glow their skin, just needs 2 body lotion. Now, one that moisturizes your skin, intensively moisturizes your skin. I don't know what comes to mind anytime I think of moisturizing body care products, like, or moisturizing body lotion. Advanced Korean body lotion moisturizes intensively. If you want to talk about moisture retention products, again, I will talk about Nivea Vanilla Nivea Shea Moist, Nivea Cocoa Radiant. There are other moisturizing body lotions out there. I don't have them in my head right now, but there are a lot of moisturizing body lotions out there that would effectively moisturize, hydrate, and nourish your skin, you know, clearing your skin and evening out your skin tone. Now, for nighttime, you need your lightening product. Now, the reason why you don't need to be using your lightening product during the day is because they are not safe enough. They are going to make your skin prone to sunburn. Sunburn is not limited to the face alone. Don't just get that right first of all. For starters, sunburn is not on the face alone. We have, you know, all those hyperpigmentation on your face. You see your neck looking darker than your other part of the body is as a result of sunburn. So you want to make sure that you're using your lightening product at night, and during the day you activate your moisturizing body lotion. Don't forget, your moisturizing body lotion consists of ingredients that has antioxidant and protective ingredients that would help protect you against the sun damage. Do you understand? Possibly top it up with a sunscreen. You're going to get result. I'm talking 2-3 months. That's when you will see that, okay, your skin is saying something different. Note, your body oils are not rolled out. If you are a beginner, you are a starter, you want to start taking your skincare seriously, body oils I must. Again, body oil I must. You see those people, maybe you go to their house during the day and they're you see them using their normal Nivea. You see them using like the likes of Dr. Teal's during the day. Like, I'm sure you raise browses where you see a beautiful glazed, well moisturized and well put together, a well, even out skin tone that is looking glazed and radiant, right? There is a skincare routine I call before and after. There's something called before and after a certain skincare product. What you do before your body lotion determines the result you're going to get. That is where your exfoliants comes to play. That is where your soap, the kind of soap you use, comes to play. For the longest time, I was battling with the particular soap that would suit my skin. I could not really place my hand on it, so I just, particularly relaxed on these 3 particular soap: Dove shower gel or bar soap, palm olive shower gel or bar soap, and at some point for straight 2 years I used the unique 4-season bar soap. That was how it was for me. But currently I'm using a shower gel. Like, that is okay for now because I don't have any reason to complain, right? So what I'm trying to say is that if you want to start taking your skincare seriously, you want to start seeing results, you want to have that skin that you see and admire, take your exfoliant seriously. Take the kind of soap you use intentional. Like, be intentional about the kind of soaps that you use, be it shower gel, shower cream, or bar soap. Anyone you choose to go for that aligns with your skin type. So long as you know your skin type, please be intentional about the kind of soap you go for then before your cream. Because the thing is, even if you use the most active lightening body lotion or the most beautiful body lotion out there, is going to be limited to how effective it's going to it will be on you because of the kind of soaps and exfoliants that you use. There are people that do not even bother about moisturizing their skin from January to December. That is not a good skincare practice, especially if you don't have a sensitive skin. Even those with sensitive skin still exfoliate like twice a month. So you want to take your exfoliant seriously. Go for exfoliant that will help nourish and moisturize your skin. Don't go for exfoliant that will strip your skin. Go for exfoliant that ladders, exfoliant that are very, very that has key ingredients like shea butter, vitamin C, almond, and all of those kind of exfoliant. Don't be particular about lightening exfoliant, but be particular about exfoliants that will help retain moisture and will not furthermore dehydrate your skin. I forgot to add, you want to also start pre-cleansing your skin, even if it's twice a week, especially for those who want to be exfoliating like twice a week. If you're exfoliating twice a week, pre-cleansing is a must, because you pre-cleanse before you exfoliate, and then you go in with your shower gel to retain moisture, right? So you want to pre-cleanse your skin if you don't want to strip your skin, because majority of the time you exfoliate your skin and at the end of the day you end up with hyperpigmentation. Why? Because that's exfoliant has stripped your skin of its natural moisture. So you want to pre-cleanse your skin, leave your skin wet before exfoliating your skin, and then go in with a moisturizer. A shower gel is a must, especially when you're exfoliating your skin, because they help retain moisture and they are not drying. Like, moisturizers are not drying. Even if they are lightening moisturizers, to a large extent they are not drying. You want a shower gel that moisturizes the skin when you exfoliate your skin. That way it prepares your skin to receive whatever it is that you're going to go in with next, which is your hydrating or moisturizing body lotion. So now you know better how to properly layer your skincare product to get a very good result. That is about that. It is not rocket science. You want to apply what is called patience, and you want to be consistent. You don't want to be using, like, if you want to be intentional about your skin, you don't want to skip days. You want to properly take a shower at least twice a day for starters, twice a day, and your morning and nighttime skincare routine should not be overlooked, no matter how tired you are. But let's say you're tired, because there are times you are tired and you're not in the mood for anything skincare. But please, no matter how tired you are, at least take a shower and go with your body oil. That is going to really also like really work. Okay, take a shower and go with your body oils, and then later you can, maybe other days you can do that. But please, you want to be like 98% of the time be consistent with your skincare routine and be patient, because there are people who pays for consultation. I wonder why somebody will come pay for consultation, and at the end of the day you recommend products and you find out that they don't use that product to the later. After 2 weeks they will come back to you and tell you that it's not working. Unless you're getting vast reaction, that is where you are advised to stop. But if you're not getting any vast reaction, it is not proper to just stop using your skincare products, especially safe products. Okay, so even if you want to lighten your skin in 2026, what you need to put into consideration is cleansing. Cleansing, I mean taking a proper shower, exfoliating your skin, and being very intentional with your shower gel, and then before your body lotion. Because I have legit seen somebody who uses Nivea alone both morning and night and has a very beautiful skin. That is because she exfoliates the skin. She goes for spa sessions. She has a very intentional body oil, and she takes her skincare routine seriously. So when you're always exfoliating your skin, it is possible that your skin is going to really look beautiful at the end of the day. So now you know the type of people that need 3 body lotions, the type that needs 2 body lotion, and those that needs 1 body lotion. So again, when it comes to skincare, there is no particular answer, because I've gotten a whole lot of questions like, is it really necessary to use 3 body lotions or 2 body lotion? The answer is yes and no. If you have a normal skin, you don't have any issues with your skin, 1 body lotion is just perfect. Exfoliate your skin often and then go in with your body oils. If you don't have a normal skin, you have problematic skin, you have a really dry skin, 3 body lotion is necessary, because you need that exfoliating body lotion to always exfoliate your skin and clear that dead skin cells. And then for those who just want to lighten and pop and glow the skin, you go for 2 body lotion, 1 in the morning and 1 that lightens the skin at night. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know if you really understand or comprehended what I have just explained to you guys, and I hope I'll see you guys in my next one pretty soon. Hoping to see you in 2026 popping and looking well put together, your skin looking radiant and well put together, well shiny, other than lightning. So yeah, if you watch up until this point, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know if you have a video suggestion, drop it down the comment section. You have any comments, put it down the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next one pretty soon. Bye.